Hello everyone, welcome back to the computer class. We were doing lesson number 8, editing a worksheet. Our today's topic is autofill feature. Sometimes don't you feel the need that computer should automatically fill the numbers or it should fill the skip counting for you? Well, we have a feature called as autofill which helps you do this task. So what is autofill exactly and how we can use it? Let's see in the practical. Why do we use autofill? Autofill option is used to automatically fill the numbers. Suppose we want to type numbers from 1 to 1000. So it becomes very difficult to type each and every number. The shortest method is using drag and drop or using the autofill. Okay. So in today's class, let's see how we can use the autofill option. I will automatically fill the numbers from 1 till 10. For this, type the number 1 and then type the second number. Once both the numbers are typed, you have to select these two numbers. See, this is my selection. Once the numbers are selected, bring your cursor towards the bottom right side of the second number when you get a dark shape plus sign. Remember, the cursor shape is very important when you are using autofill. If you get this hollow plus sign, the autofill will not work. It will work only when you will get this dark shape plus shape. Okay. Now press your mouse button and drag your mouse till you get the desired number. I've got the number 10 over here. So what I will do, I will release my mouse. As soon as I will release my mouse, automatically I got the numbers from 1 to 10. So this is how you can type any amount of numbers with the help of autofill feature. This was the first method. Now if using this first method you want to do the skip counting, how you will do that? For this, type the first number, then in the second cell type the second number. Here I am typing 3 because I want to do the skip counting of 1. So I'm skipping one number, that is 2. Again, select these two numbers. Bring your cursor towards the bottom right side of the second number and drag it till you get the desired number. So here you can see got the skip counting of 1. So my first number was 1, second number was 3 and these two numbers I had inserted on my own. Then came 5, 7, 9 which was filled automatically by the computer. So these were the autofill using drag and drop. Now the second method is using the menu. So for that you simply have to type the first number. Here when you are using this series function or the fill option, you will not type the second number. First number is only required because we have to tell the computer from where we can start with our counting. Now after typing the first number, go to the Home tab and from there select Fill option. You can see my cursor position over here. Now click on the arrow and from the drop down menu select Series. This will open up a dialog box. The first option in the series dialog box is rows and columns. Rows means you will fill the numbers in the rows, that means from left to right or right to left, and columns means from top to bottom. So I want the numbers in my columns, so I will change my selection from rows to columns. Here the type should be linear only because I want the numbers in the increasing order in the sequential order. Now the step value is written here as 1 because I want the sequential number. So after 1, 2 should come. After 2, it will add one number and it will give 3. This way, step value is the amount of numbers that will be added to your previous number. Stop value is the value from where you want the numbers, or in other words, the last number is your stop value. So I want the numbers till 10. Here I will type 10. After filling all these information, you simply have to click on the OK button. And see, just with one click, you got all the numbers from 1 to 10. Now let's do the skip counting of 5 with the help of this fill series option. So for doing that, I will type my first number as 5 because this is my initial number. Now select this number again because if you will not select it, the menu will be disabled. So for selecting, click on any other cell and then click back to the cell where you want to type the series. Go to the Home tab and from there choose the Fill option. Select Series option and you will get this dialog box. From this dialog box, choose Columns as I want to fill my numbers in columns. Now the step value will be changed from 1 to 5 because we want the skip counting of 5. How this will work? This number 5 will add this number 5 of step value and it will give you the answer in the second cell. Now in the stop value, type the last number. I want my stop value as 50. After giving the stop value, simply click on OK button. And look here, you got the skip counting of 5. So with the help of this method, you can even type the table of any number. So don't you think this autofill feature is very easy? From now onwards, whenever you want to prepare your data, try using the autofill option for filling the roll numbers or any series that you want to fill. I hope today's class was clear to you. See you soon in the next class. Goodbye.